Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Hey guys, so we are at Value Village, about to go inside and do some thrifting. If you guys don't know what thrifting is, it's really where you buy used clothes or used items. We have found ourselves in Canada, as you guys know, and when we got in Canada, we did a lot of thrifting, but the longer we're here, we do it less and less, but we still do it. And the reason why we still do it is because there's absolutely nothing wrong with thrifting. So we're gonna go into the thrift store, Value Village, see what kind of deals they have going on, and see if we can get anything in there right now. So come along, kind of like a thrift store vlog, kind of thrift with me kind of thing, or thrift with us. Not just behind the camera, that's Signs of Life. Come along, guys. It's so windy. Malia, wake up, wake up, wake up. She just fell asleep. And poor thing. Come on, Malika. Let's go. Come. Let's get a cart. Malika, you want to sit in the cart? You want to sit in the cart? Yeah? Come. No? No? Okay.
Malia, you wanna go in?
Okay. I need, let me see the man section first. They mix up, they change up in there, man. It's like kids now, man. Kids usually let to the back. Yeah, just button up. If they have anything nice in good condition. Yeah, light sleeve. My typical. Probably down in the aisle they have longer sleeve maybe. All short sleeve. Oh, Malika, careful. Which section am I in? Small section? Not yet. Not quite. Okay, work in progress. I think I have a shirt just like this.
You don't have no shirt like this.
I don't have a shirt like this. $13.99. You like this?
I like it.
Large?
I don't know if you can fit it.
let's try and see.
Yeah, what you getting? Malia? What you getting, mommy? Dress. Oh, this girl love dress.
Alright guys, so you guys know that I've been in the gym. I'm coming down from 2XL. This is a large. Let's see where I'm at. Okay? Let's see if this can fit me. 1, 2, 3. As you guys can see, I've been working hard, but not there yet. But this is a slim fit, so I just feel really tight though. So let's not use this to judge. Okay. Okay. So this one is an extra large. Look, very good condition. Very nice condition. Price $18.49. Let's see. No, this feels big. Where's the middle ground? No middle ground? Is it too tight or too big? Cha-cha.
Big.
Let me button it up first. Let's see what's going on. I like the color. Well, XL feel big, but the large, that's what I've tried, feel too tight. Too big?
It's too big.
Too big. Yeah, thumbs up. So random strangers gave it a thumbs up. You have to take it. When I say too big.
How do you feel? It's not me wearing it, is it?
I mean, it's not. I think it's okay.
Okay.
It's not too big. I know all of my shirts them are really big right now. So just kind of feel
Smaller than what you have at home, but
Yeah.
not. Yeah.
not where I want it to be.
You want to get it for?
But the large so far. Alright guys, rate this shirt from a scale of 1 to 10. Hold on, let me go on the runway. Back up, back up. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Okay. Oh sorry, photobomb. Let's go again. Ready? Try to do like that one. This is the 2XL. Let's get out of this area. This area is not for me. Let's go. XL. Technically not for me either, but what can we do? Can you guys tell that blue is my favorite color?
Where's Malika?
She's right here looking at herself in the mirror. I don't see anything. Yeah, so Nats took Malia to the restroom. Malika is just here looking at these toys. I was not able to find another shirt, so I'm just gonna take the one. And then the rest of the time is gonna be spent over the ladies and kids section. Guys know? You know. Malia, come on. Okay, let's see if I can get a pants. Over there. No. Nope. That don't look bad. What do you think about that?
You need to get the cut.
Need to get the cut?
You need to get the cut.
But that look like you have the cut though. Yeah, that look like you have the cut lips. Wash out. What is the one say? 21 now. But it's expensive. How much for jeans are Urban Planet? Come on, Water Village, you're not overpriced thing them now. Arson. 36.30.
36.
No, that's too big. The last pants I bought was 34. The last pants I bought in Old Navy was 34. So if it's gonna be 36, I have to do like 36 by 32. So how much? 36?
Just 36.
Let's look hard though. This one actually, alright, 60 now. So the plan is everybody get 2 items today out the thrift store. So they get to choose if they want 2 pieces of clothes or a toy or something else. Come Malika. You give them a toy and something else. If you don't mind shop, then take up 2 toys. Yeah. Malia, which toy do you want? And Malia, you pick up one, or Malika, you pick up. Malika, you pick up one already. Malia, I cannot take another doll in the house. Pick up something else, Malia. You have so many dolls at home. Pick up something else. You have so many, you have many dolls at home. Pick up something else, okay? Malika, you like that? You want this one, Malia? No. You don't want this one? Okay. I don't know why when the mother's telling you to come pick up toy, you know. Yes, baby. You sure, Malia? Okay, put it in the bar, in the cart. You want to ask mommy if I can get that one first? Okay, let's go. Come, Malika. Extra small?
4.
4? Yeah, man, she can fit tonight. Malia? Malia, come and try this.
A 5.
What's
Yeah,
it?
4. This is $6.99.
Come on, pick up 2 for that. Not still in good condition. Small. How about this?
Who get pants on here?
I don't remember. Malika, can I get any? Well, for Malika afterwards. Tamalika. No, that's not Malika. That's like Fenty, not Malia. As in, it'll be a little big, but you're granted. Malika 7. Malika get tall. Okay, let them not have none. Consumer can't fit Malika. know, like jeans pants there. Got this doll. Malika more the sweatpants. Yeah. Totally get it. What about this? Total?
Any condition, I buy
What's it told my girl? Not nothing yet. Your size in my kids section. How much it? $3.99. Probably that's why it have a little wash out, that's why it's so cheap. Active wear. Come Malika. Come on. What boy is that? That's the boys. Yeah, over here side girls. Jeans, girls jeans. It's a bottom active wear. You like this toy? Prefer back one. Prefer back one. Yeah. How much? $9. Okay, girls, let's go. Let's go, girls. Come on. Outfit jacket. Where's the women's jeans? Women pants. The phone jacket section? Probably over here. Right here, so. Oh, what these are active wear. These are active wear. Malika picked that one. So leave Malika with that one. Malika picked that one and you pick that one. So stay with the one that you pick, okay? And come on. Shake it. She's always trying to bully her sister. Malika. Found them? Yeah. That looks smiley? Your size. How much, right? $9.99. Malika. That look nice, I like that color. What's your price? $11.99. $11.99.
Black. I like the black.
That's not too bad. I like that. Not too bad. No. Ooh, sheesh. Come on, give my cat walk now. Your turn. Yeah. Yeah, it look nice.
Alright,
Malia, careful, careful, baby. So, guys, yeah, we are still in the thrift store.
These are 13. I wear one.
They sell a size 1. That nice, but that looks like something I have already.
Like the capri one of me have.
You look like that,
Right,
nice.
there's a
That looks like
capri
something I
one.
have already. What did you do, Malia? Look at your face.
Yeah, not pants. Oh, the ones that I have. Yes, but I don't have any. Zero. No, I'm just gonna.
Is it one of those pants that wear up your waist or above your waist? Kind of thing?
But the catch up be too long.
Yeah, we don't want that.
What are you?
Yeah, me like that.
Yeah, this is closer than this.
Yeah, what's the price on it?
$8.
Okay, that's not bad.
This time pink, a black, a green. Can blend with everything.
Yeah.
We're out
We're out. Let's go.
for today.
Mom,
Catch your time.
pass it on.
Yes, baby, catch your time. Come, take up our jacket.
Malia, can you take it?
Malika, get from the cart. Your toy is in the cart, Malika. It's not going anywhere. Malika, yep, we're gonna pay for it. It's not going anywhere. Shall get our toy.
That's for donating.
Donated. They get
Thank you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. I'll use this 20% immediately. 20% off first,
Take
right?
it off.
Hmm?
Take it
I
off.
still get to take. I still take it off.
Take it off.
Hold on.
Everybody get 2 items there. So many.
So many what?
Crazy.
Oh, my bag.
125. How does this work?
Scan it. Barcode part. I think. Malika and Malia.
It works. No, 13. to $140. You want a paperback? Or well, we need.
We can wait.
Oh, really? I think we're not pay for them.
Oh.
How much the price is?
X, the X. It says X to the N. No bag.
Oh. Can I?
No. Yeah, I did it already.
Malika and Malia, get back over the side, please. Thank you. You got a candy. Did you say thank you? Did you say thank you, Malia? Who gave you the candy? Got it out. This is the end result of going to the thrift store with these guys. $124, but we got a $20 gift voucher, so we cashed it in. We never have only $50 off. You must be so proud of yourself. Must be so proud of yourself.
Of course I'm proud. Always.
Anyways, could be worse. It's not every wife comfortable going to the thrift store.
True.
Some wives would have to be going to the Louis Vuitton store.
Louis Vuitton?
Or the
China?
Or the what the other dear place in them? You know, we don't really know them places, but I still have to give thanks, don't you?
But not all the time you take me to the thrift store, so it's nothing. Okay. And I love going to the thrift store. You take me to other stores as well. You just don't put it on camera.
Way to make a guy feel good.
The other store is just, okay, make you grab something from the thrift store.
Malika and Malia on the bill. Thank you guys for coming along on this shopping journey with us. As usual, if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, the best way to let me know or to let us know is to comment right down below in the comment section. Smash a like on the video, that's always very helpful. And subscribe to the Andersons family if you haven't already subscribed. Checking out from the thrift store, Valley Village here in Grand Prairie, Alberta. See you guys in the next video. Peace.